How to fix Plex buffering on your mobile device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Apps Academy. Today in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily fix the buffering issue that can interrupt your streaming experience on Plex using your smartphone. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to check is your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or your mobile network. Once you have it, the next thing you would want to do is to go ahead and clear cache from your Plex application. Launch open the Plex application, and once you're inside the home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on your profile icon. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click Settings. Inside Settings, click on the Advanced button. Now click on Reset Cache. Once you do that, your cache data will be reset from the application. Once you now clear the cache, this will remove temporary files that may cause playback issues. After you do that, you can go ahead and force close your Plex application. Drag upwards from the bottom of your screen and in the app switcher, force close the Plex app by pushing it off and reopen it again. Soon after you restart your Plex application, select your user and after doing so, go ahead and open up one of the media contents and see if that fixes your buffering issue. If the problem still continues, then also try updating your device's operating system. If you have an outdated operating system on your device, that can also cause playback issues on the Plex application. So those were some of the fixes you could try out to fix the buffering issue on your Plex application using your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.